Hello, kids. Welcome back to your English class. Today, we are going to study a very important chapter from our grammar book, that is articles. Let us begin, kids. You might have studied articles in your previous classes, but today we are going to study them in detail. Let's begin. What actually are articles? Articles are small words. They indicate items. They describe nouns. They are of two kinds. There are two kinds of articles. What are they? The definite articles and the indefinite articles. Definite article. It is the word the. There is one definite article. The is a definite article. T H E is the definite article. It indicates exactly. It tells definitely which item we are talking about. Next is a and an. An article is an adjective. Like adjectives, articles modify nouns. A, an and the are called articles. A and an are called indefinite articles. The is called the definite article. The is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. A and an is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. Let us quickly revise what we have studied till now. In short, we can say a and the. What are they? They are articles. Articles are words that come before nouns. Let us study them in detail. A, an. Refer to a person, a place, an animal, or a thing in general. Look at the examples. A house. Here we are talking about one house. Kids, let me tell you, a and an, these two articles, they are used only for singular and countable nouns. We use a, that is a which you call, before words that begin with a consonant. A girl, a clock, a lamp. Kids, we know very well. There are how many letters in the English alphabet series? There are 26 letters. In this, there are 21 consonants and 5 vowels. Kids, a is used before the word which begins with a consonant. Words starting with a Y sound start with a consonant sound. Look here. A. Unicorn. Kids, unicorn, the sound is coming off Y. And Y is a consonant. You can see over here. U is a vowel. But the sound, kids, A and an, where to place, it depends upon the sounds of the vowel. Though it is a vowel, but the sound is of Y. So we use a unicorn, a university, a uniform. An is used before a word beginning with a vowel. Example, an idiot, an apple. Before a word beginning with H but not sounded. We can say, kids, here. You can look here. H-O-N-O-U-R. What do we pronounce it as? We pronounce it as honor. The H is silent. So, here also we use and before words that begin with a vowel sound. I hope you remember A, E, I, O, U. They are our 5 vowels. An orange, an umbrella, an I. Words starting with the O sound starts with a vowel sound. An honor, an honest, an R. A and an are used before collective nouns too. Usage depending on the sound with which the first letter of the collective noun starts. Kids, look at this very carefully. What is this? An army of soldiers, right? The first letter, this is what? It is a vowel plus not only a vowel, it has a vowel sound. So we have used an army of soldiers. Next, a cluster of stars. It's a consonant sound and it's a consonant. So we have used a. Now, let's move further to the definite article, which is the. Refers to a particular person, place, animal or thing. The is used before unique objects. Example, the sun, the sky, the moon. Before the names of mountains, rivers, oceans, deserts, etc. Before the names of the books. We use the when we know that there is only one of a particular thing. Kids, please mark this. One of a particular thing. The sky, the world, the North Pole. Before the names of unique things. The sun, the moon, the earth. We use the before the superlative degree of comparison. The tallest, the biggest. Remember the superlative degree? Positive, comparative and superlative. When we talk about superlative degree, it is always followed by the. Names of newspapers and holy books. Names of the people of a country. The Russians, the British, the Chinese. Names of some important buildings and monuments. The White House, the Statue of Liberty, the Eiffel Tower. Names of rivers, seas and oceans. The Nile, the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean. Now kids, look at this. Here is one more example for you, which will tell us about definite articles. You can see 3 dolls over here. The second doll is wearing an orange kimono. We are talking about the second doll. The third or the last doll is carrying a fan. Kids, what is the golden rule for articles? A and they are always used before countable nouns only. Before uncountable nouns, we do not use a and. Hope you have understood the lesson and you have understood it well. Bye bye. Take care.